Welcome, seniors. This is day 53 of our 60-day leg strength series. If you're new here, you can start from any day. Today we move together. Please bring a strong chair and stand near it. Let's begin. First exercise chair. Sit to stand strength builder. This exercise focuses on building lower body strength while improving balance and confidence for seniors over 60. Place a strong chair firmly against a wall for safety. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart and lift your chest gently. Slowly sit down with control, then press through your heels to stand again. Move smoothly without rushing. Breathe naturally throughout the movement. As we continue, ask yourself, how are you feeling right now? If this is day 2, 3, or 4, you may notice tightness in your thighs, which is normal. Please comment below and tell us which country you are watching from. Kindly share this video with a senior friend who needs stronger legs today. Together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Second exercise, seated leg extensions, knee and thigh support. This exercise improves knee strength and circulation for seniors over 60. Sit tall on a chair with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Place both feet flat on the floor before starting. Slowly extend one leg forward until it is straight, then hold briefly. Lower the leg slowly with full control. Keep movements slow and controlled and breathe normally throughout the exercise. Complete all repetitions on one leg before switching to the other leg. If you feel shaking or tightness, that is normal, so comment your experience below. While exercising, tell us which country you are watching from. Please remember to share this video so another senior can exercise together with you and stay motivated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, Seniors, remember, exercise is important, but it's only half the solution. To truly improve your health, energy, and body, you need the right internal support. Nagano Tonic helps boost metabolism, melt stubborn fat, increase energy, and make you feel younger from within. Many seniors see faster, stronger results when they combine this tonic with their daily exercises. Without it, progress can be slow. Find the link in the description and start your transformation today. Third exercise, standing heel, raises for balance and calf strength. Standing heel raises help seniors over 60 improve balance, strengthen calves, and support ankle stability. Place a sturdy chair in front of you for support, stand tall with feet shoulder width apart, and lightly hold the chair. Slowly lift your heels, pause at the top, then lower them with control. Focus on posture and steady movements. Count each repetition clearly. If balance feels difficult, comment "Balance Challenge" below. Share your country and which day you are on, day 1 or day 53. Doing this exercise regularly strengthens calves, improves stability, and helps prevent falls. Remember to breathe, take short breaks if needed, and share this video with a senior friend to exercise together and stay motivated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.